If I had to start investing in 2026, with no portfolio, no financial background, no guidance, and just the desire to build wealth, this is exactly what I would do. The truth is, most people are scared of investing because they think they need a lot of money, or they think the stock market is complicated, or they've heard stories about people losing everything. But the reality is simple. Investing isn't for rich people. It's how people become rich. This video breaks down, step by step, what I would do if I were starting from zero in 2026, using simple rules, simple habits, and a simple plan. We are going to cover 1. Why invest? 2. Why stocks? 3. How to invest? 4. What to invest in? 5. When to invest? 6. How much money I should be making? 7. Understanding myself as an investor. And each section is structured so you can apply it immediately. Let's begin. 1. Why invest? If someone told you that every year you lose a small percentage of your money without even spending it, would you believe it? Because that's exactly what inflation does. Inflation means the price of everything slowly rises every year. This means the value of your money drops every single year unless that money is growing somewhere else. If you keep $1,000 in a drawer, 10 years later it might only buy what $600 can buy today. And that's why investing matters. 1. Investing protects your money from inflation. Inflation averages around 3% per year historically. The stock market averages 7% to 10% per year over long periods. So simply by investing, you're outrunning inflation. You're taking money that is slowly dying and giving it life. 2. Investing helps you build wealth without working harder. There are only two kinds of income in the world. Income you work for. Income your money works for. Most people work their entire life only using the first one. Investing gives you the second one. This is the difference between financial struggle and financial freedom. 3. Investing makes your future self richer. Imagine you invest $200 per month starting in 2026. After 10 years, at 8% average returns $36,000. After 20 years, $118,000. After 30 years, $289,000. After 40 years, $700,000 plus. You don't need luck. You don't need to be born rich. You just need time. 4. Investing gives you options. The biggest gift investing gives you isn't money, it's freedom. Freedom to choose the job you want. Freedom to quit the job you hate. Freedom to retire early. Freedom to live life on your own terms. And that's why every smart person invests, even if they start small. 2. Why stocks? There are many ways to invest. Real estate, crypto, commodities, bonds, businesses, collectibles. So why stocks? If I were starting in 2026, stocks would be my foundation. And here's why. 1. Stocks have the highest long-term return over the last 100 years. Bonds average 3 to 4%. Real estate averages 4 to 6%. Gold averages 1 to 2%. Crypto is unpredictable. Stocks average 7 to 10%. Stocks grow the fastest and most consistently over time. 2. Stocks are easy to buy. You don't need a house, land, a business, a high income, special contacts, massive starting capital. With stocks, you can start with $10. You can buy fractional shares. You can buy ETFs. You can buy index funds. You can buy companies you already use. Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Google. 3. Stocks build wealth while you sleep. You don't need to watch charts. You don't need to trade every day. You don't need to guess where the market is going. Long-term investing is boring, and that's the secret. 4. Owning stocks means owning real businesses. When you buy a share of Apple, you literally own a piece of Apple. You own a piece of their products, their patents, their global business, their future profits. Stocks allow you to benefit from the growth of the entire global economy. 5. Stocks let beginners win. The truth is, beginners who invest passively often perform better than experts who trade emotionally. Because investing rewards discipline, not intelligence. 3. How to invest. This is where most people get confused. They think investing means predicting the market or reading complicated charts. It doesn't. If I had to start from zero in 2026, this is the exact step-by-step process I'd follow. Step 1. Choose a good brokerage. Pick a regulated platform. This could be Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, Webull, E-Trade. Choose one and stick with it. Step 2. Automate your investing. Set up automatic deposits. For example, every Friday, invest $50. Every month, invest $200. The point is consistency. Automation removes emotions. Step 3. Dollar cost averaging DCA. This means investing the same amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. When prices are high, you buy fewer shares. When prices are low, you buy more. Over time, this lowers your average cost. Step 4. Reinvest everything. Every dividend you get should be reinvested. Dividends are tiny seeds that grow into forests. Step 5. Think long-term. Long-term means not 6 months, not 1 year, not even 3 years. Long-term means 5 to 20 years. That is where all the wealth is. 4. What to invest in. This is the part everyone waits for, so let's break it down clearly. 1. Index funds, top priority. Index funds are the simplest and safest way to start. The most famous one is the S&P 500 Index Fund. Why it's powerful? It contains 500 of America's biggest companies. Automatically diversifies your money. Historically returns 7 to 10%. Very low fees. Great for beginners and experts. If I started in 2026, I would make this my main investment. 2. ETFs. ETFs let you invest in whole sectors or themes. For example, technology ETF, healthcare ETF, energy ETF, real estate ETF, dividend ETF. My recommendation: pick 1 or 2 ETFs and hold them long-term. 3. Dividend stocks. Dividend-paying companies give you cash every 3 months. Examples of dividend companies: Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, McDonald's, AT&T, Chevron. If you reinvest dividends, your growth accelerates. 4. Growth stocks. These are companies expected to grow fast, such as Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Alphabet. But keep these to 10 to 20% of your portfolio. Growth stocks are powerful, but volatile. 5. What I would avoid. If I were starting from $0, I would avoid penny stocks, options trading, day trading, meme stocks, hype coins, investing because of social media trends. These things destroy beginners. 5. When to invest. The best moment to invest is never a perfect moment. It's always now. You don't need the right time. People waste years waiting for a market crash, a market dip, a salary increase, a bonus, a perfect situation. Meanwhile, time passes and money stays the same. The truth? Time in the market beats timing the market. The market will crash, and that's normal. Crashes happen every few years. But the market always recovers. Always. If prices fall, you're buying at a discount. The payday rule. Invest every time you get paid. Weekly? Invest weekly. Monthly? Invest monthly. Consistency beats accuracy. Don't pause investing. Don't let emotions stop your automation. Uncertainty is part of the game. 6. How much should I be making? Your investment success depends on 2 things: your income, your consistency. Let's talk about income first. If you earn a low income, your goal is to build discipline. Start with $20 to $50 per month. Get comfortable with the process. Focus on building skills that increase your income. 7. Understanding yourself. Investing is 90% psychology and 10% skill. If you don't understand yourself, you'll sabotage your own success. Here's what I would evaluate if I were starting in 2026. Am I patient? If you can't wait 5 to 10 years, you're going to fail. Long-term thinking is everything. Am I emotional with money? If price drops make you panic, stick to index funds. Do I compare myself to others? Comparison creates bad decisions. Your timeline is your own. Can I stay consistent even when it's boring? Investing becomes repetitive. Only disciplined people win. Do I want fast money or real wealth? Fast money doesn't last. Real wealth takes time. Finally, if I had to start investing in 2026 from zero, this would be my exact plan. This simple plan can turn thousands into hundreds of thousands, and eventually millions, over time. Wealth grows quietly, slowly, and secretly, until one day it's obvious.